Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can migrate your site, your WordPress site from cPanel. So let's get right into it. Now for this, I'll be using this Hostinger tutorial because I do not have my own domain and I don't have access to cPanel, but this should be easy enough to follow. So let's just go over the steps and you guys should be able to see everything how you need to do it. Now, what you need to do first is to log into cPanel by either entering your IP address for your server into the URL search bar, and you use the port :183. You can also use your domain address, which is just your domain name, and then /cPanel or :183 as well. And then once you're there and logged in, from your old hosting account, you just need to go into Files and go into the Backup Wizard. Then select and create a full backup, choose a destination, and generate the backup. And I do have tutorials on this in case you guys want to check them out. Then once the backup is complete, you'll receive a tar.gz backup file, which contains your home directory, email forwarders and filters, and your MySQL databases. Then you just need to extract the full backup file on your computer to separate the files for your website, email data, and databases. Then just log in into your new web hosting account and go to the backup wizard from cPanel, select restore, and choose home directory and upload the extracted home directory file to restore your website files, including plugins and theme files. And once that's done, return to the backup wizard, go and restore. This time choose MySQL databases to upload and restore your WordPress database. And then after restoring all the files, access the WP config via the file manager within cPanel, update the PHP file with the new database details, and that can be found in the MySQL databases menu. And once you do that, that is all you need to do. Pretty much that's the entire process. As I mentioned, very easy. It has 9 steps which you need to go through, or rather 11. Which of course do take some time depending on the size of your server and your database and your website. The backup file might, well, take longer than for others, and you should also keep in mind that you should have some free space just in case the system needs to create certain files for backup, for backing up, and if it doesn't have enough space, it could fail or something like that. So just keep that in mind. But that is all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.